This scooter came from the United States. I'm currently in Argentina, and it came without a battery. So when I got here, I bought this battery. That is this one. This battery has one connector for charge and discharge. The controller, you have the XT90 that it goes into the discharge, and the XT30 that goes into the charge. So this is a computer plug. This is the XT30 female and the XT90 female. I got this battery, 48 volts, 17.5 amps hour, and a total of 840 watts. Because I don't like to cut not either the battery or the controller, what I've done is I've done connector. This is the connector for charging, and this is the connector for discharging. This battery has XT60 coming out for charging and for discharging. I did the XT60s male, XT30 female going into the charging, and the XT90 goes into the controller. And it charges. Beautiful.